Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2015 Chevy Trax. We're gonna be replacing the spark plugs. This is a pretty basic maintenance item, so let's get started. First thing we wanna do is pull off our engine cover. Just pull up, it's just snapped in place. Next, we'll take off the connector for our ignition coil. Let me zoom you in and show you how we do that. On our electrical connector, we have this purple lock tab. You can use an angled pick like I am or a little screwdriver. We'll just pull that back, unlock it. I'll just pinch our connector and pull off. There, just like that. Now we can remove our ignition coil pack. We have two T30 Torx. And this whole thing will wiggle off. There we go. So you'll notice there's one boot that came off and the rest are left down below. That's okay, that's pretty normal. We'll just pull out our springs, put these back in like that. Not a big deal. Now we'll take a pair of pliers and just pull out our boots. There, just like that. And then on our coil pack, we'll just install our boots. There, good as new. We'll take some compressed air, blow out our spark plug wells. Either wear goggles when you're blowing it out or close your eyes. Don't want any projectiles in there. So now we're gonna take a 5/8 spark plug socket with a deep extension. I'm gonna put that in, break these loose. There we go. There's one. 2, 3, and 4. Now we'll take our new spark plugs, we'll load them up in our socket, and just hand thread them in. No anti-seize required, just till they bottom out. Do another one. The manual says these are torqued to 18 foot-pounds. They do have a crush washer, so you'll feel it kind of crush and then tighten up. There's that crush washer. For our ignition coil on the boots, we're gonna put a little dielectric grease. You can get those packets from the auto parts store. I'll have a link in the description as well. We're just putting a little bit on each one. Doesn't take a whole lot. And then we're gonna squish it just so it spreads. Get it in there, squish it. And that just acts as a lubricant so it can come off easy in the future. Now we'll drop this in. Make sure they go over each spark plug. Push down. Nice. Drop in our bolts. Get these hands started before we use any power tools. Snug it down. Now these are torqued to 71 inch-pounds, which is just about 6 foot-pounds. So not very much. So good and snug. Now plug it in. And then we'll push our purple tab forward. You can use your screwdriver if you need, or your fingers if that works. Just till it locks. Make sure it doesn't pop out. Perfect. Now let's start it up, make sure it runs smooth. This sounded good. Last is our engine cover, and just snap into place. That's it. All right, there you go. That's how you can place your spark plugs on your Chevy Trax. All in all, pretty straightforward. I'll have links in the description for all the parts and tools used. If you have any questions, comment, post down below. We'll see you on the next one.